Hi guys, this is Alexandre from Renart Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Find Shelf and the Renart Shelf. So let's start right now. First of all, if you have downloaded the Find Shelf, you should have the zip file, and if you unzip, you're going to see all these files. So first thing, really simple to install, it's drag and drop the install Find Shelf into the viewport. And there you go, you have your Find Shelf installed. Okay, so once you have installed the Find Shelf, you're gonna have to create a shortcut for it to open it. You can close it and open here, but you're gonna see later on that you want to hide this Maya shelf because we won't need it anymore. So if you want, you can edit here and copy paste. Just copy the command script here of the shelf editor button and go into the setting preferences hotkey editor, go onto the runtime command editor, type new. You can write find underscore shelf, and the description is open find shelf. Make sure to put the language programmation onto Python and paste here the code. Save runtime command, okay, and then you can choose into the custom script here. You can assign a shortcut to Find Shelf and then save and close. So now if you close it, you can press and it's happier. So yeah, this tool is very useful. You can put it here, so it's like part of the, so you can move anywhere you want, and you have some option here that you can hide the Maya shelf, so you have more space for your viewport. And then if you only click on it, you already see all the shelf. And you can just type history, so it can delete by history, locator maybe. So yeah, it's for me, I rather use that than try to find the right shelf. You don't have the text because there's only icons, so it's hard to understand. But right now you see you have all of them, all the text, all the name of the shelf are written there, so, and they are alphabetic ordered, so it's yeah, for me it's easier. You choose if it's easier for you, but yeah. So yeah, you can choose to hide this, and if you close it, you see you can reopen easily. So the advantage of this is you can also choose to change the search of the scope, so you don't have, because right now you see all the shelf that is inside the Maya shelf, and it's cool, but maybe you don't want to see all of them. Maybe you want to search only onto the, like animation maybe. So when you click on this, you see all the animation shelf here, so it's useful. Yeah, so you can check many as you want. If you want like you're mostly on these three, you see all of them, and you can still, and when you search, it's only gonna search into the search scope that you have checked. So that's it. And yeah, you have this opener on our shelf, and I'm gonna show you next how to install the Renart Shelf. Okay, now let's install the Renart Shelf. So to install the Renart Shelf, you have if you have downloaded, you have the zip file. So when you unzip it, you have all this. So like the Find Shelf, just drag and drop into the viewport, and it will automatically dock on the right position. And yeah. So yeah, how it's work, we can show the Maya shelf for now, because what it's cool about this is right now it's came empty. But what you can do is you can like drag and drop from the Maya shelf to the Renart shelf. So it had automatically, the first one you do is gonna take more time, but after that it's gonna be much faster. So yeah, you can choose to manually drag and drop, middle click drag, and you can fit up your Renart shelf. Or what you can do, if you want to go faster, you can go here on the menu here, and you can capture from Maya shelf. So it goes and find all the current Maya shelf that you have. So right now we are in modeling. So let's go add some polygon maybe, and we can add all of them. So you see it's adding all of them. And what's cool about this, it's, you see it fill all the space with the shelf. But if you want, you can choose to have them more wider, so you can see all the text. And you can see there is a scroll down menu here, so you can scroll down, and you still have the search, the find shelf here that you can search, or you can still use your own find shelf. So yeah, so it's really useful. And yeah, you can like I said, drag and drop. Also what you can do, you can right click on any tool, and you can move it to any other tab that you want. You can also edit the tool, and you can change the command, the double click, just like the Maya shelf. You can browse another icon and set it up here, but I think it's more efficient in this way. And also you can color, you can put some color on it. You can add separator to the left or to the right, and you can also change the color of the separator if you want. Just like that. And you can also delete the separator if you want. Delete. And that's not all, because the advantage of this Renart shelf is that you can undock it manually, like this, and you can scale it whenever all you want. You can choose to have, so if you want, if you have like me another screen, I have like three other screen when I work. So I put my Renart shelf on one screen, and I can like work with all these clear menu here on one screen. So it's more useful for me. So I have already all the tool ready to use. And when you dock back here, you can menu here, dock, it's gonna resize automatically. And when you take it off, it's remembered the size of the windows that you have scaled. So yeah, that's very useful too. And yeah, you can also hide the Maya shelf here. What else? Yeah, you have also the all tab. It's not checked by default, but the all tab, it shows all the shelf that you have in all the other tab. So you cannot edit. It's just read only. So you have all the shelf that you have put into your tab. So yeah, it's also useful. You can change the search scope if you want to search only in the Renart shelf, or you can also search in the Maya shelf here. But if you have find shelf installed, you don't really need this. You're gonna use this. You can also save as your shelf. It's gonna open the default position of your Renart shelf. Let's say Alex shelf, and save. And if you clear your current shelf and everything has been you can clear or you can close shelf. Sorry, clear. Yes. Yeah, it's clear the tab, so the clearance shelf tab. Maybe I'm gonna modify this to have it more clear. But if you modify your shelf and now you have nothing, but you can just load back what you have saved, and it's gonna reappear here. So yeah, that's cool. And that's about it. You have the open find shelf. If you close it here, they work together, so it's opening. And also if you close the Renart shelf, you can reopen it here. Open Renart shelf with the find shelf. So yeah, when you close Maya, everything is gonna Renart shelf won't open by default. So that's why it's important to add a shortcut to the find shelf. So you just open find shelf and then open Renart shelf here, instead of showing back the shelf here of Maya to access to the Renart here. So it's faster to open here. So I hope you enjoy this tool. Let me know if you try it, test it, and if you see things that can be improved, let me know in the comment, and or send me an email. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and see you next time.